Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today, how to connect a car battery safely. Right, let's get cracking. First of all, a top tip on how to keep your battery terminals in tip-top condition. Now you can buy a special battery paste, but if you haven't got that, you can just use petroleum jelly. And what you do is you literally just smear these onto the terminals, the negative and the positive, and this just stops them corroding over time and keeps them in really good condition. I've already placed the battery into the engine compartment where the battery needs to go, and it's secured down safely, and we're now ready to connect the terminals. Make sure you do it in the exact order that I'm showing here in this video, otherwise you may get a spark, you may get a short, and you may blow some fuses. So it's very important to do it in the exact correct order. First of all, place the positive terminal on the positive node of the battery, slide that on, then just tighten that up securely, turning it clockwise until it's nice and tight. Always be careful not to touch your metal tool on the chassis when you're touching the battery terminals. Once it's nice and tight, you can then put the negative cable on the negative node of the battery. Just slide that on nice and quickly. Then take your ratchet and tighten that up clockwise. Nice and tight. Then just check that both cables are nice and tight. Now the positive terminal should have a cover on it, this one doesn't, but yours should have a red clip or a cover just to keep it safe. Then we're just going to test that the new battery works. If your battery's been disconnected for a while, you'll probably have to reset your clock and some other things on the dashboard. Fantastic. And that definitely deserves a lovely cup of tea. If you found that video useful, please subscribe by pressing this button down here so you don't miss more videos on how to save you time and money. There's also some other videos around the edges of the screen here. If any of those are useful to you, then you can select those now. Thank you for visiting my channel, everyone. I really appreciate it.